There it is. There it is. Down payments, 3%. Fairfax Mortgage, Steve Morgan. Unbelievable. Stay tuned. Listen about the details on this 3% program. Fannie Mae comes out with a 3% down payment. Unbelievable. They want to compete with FHA, which has mortgage insurance and upfront fees. They want to compete with USDA, which has income limits. This 3%, you can be a first-time home buyer. Guess what? Their first-time home buyer is if you don't own a property in the last 3 years. Think about that. In the last 3 years, you haven't owned a property, you qualify for a first-time home buyer. This is on a primary residence. So if you bought a $250,000 house, 3% down, what is that number? $7,500. $7,500. Payments projected, depending on taxes and insurance, $1,200 to $1,500 a month. Now closing in Delaware is a little different. It's probably about 2%, so that's about $5,000. But I have the agents know how to write the offers. And those offers are written so the seller pays for it. So you can get into a house. We can go to $417,000 in Sussex County. There's some other good attributes of this program. Reach out to me. Give me a text, 443-226-5297. Have a great day.